Este es el señor A, con su muy buen amigo, Shadow. Sí, el perro famoso. Okay, this is going to be one of the few times that I speak in English this year, class, because whether you're in your second year of upper level Spanish or in your very first year, my job is to get you as high in the language as possible with the time allotted. So, once you go on to college, they're going to go about twice as fast with the material, and the professors aren't always as accessible to help you when you don't understand. So, my job is to try and give you as much skill and knowledge as possible in the language before you move on from Pequea Valley. Now, this year's going to be a lot more challenging than the first 2 years, but that's okay because I'm here with you every step of the way. You're also going to get to be really creative with skits and writing samples as well as video projects. Later on, that's really going to help you as you continue on in your career and also form lifelong relationships with Hispanics. So I'm hoping that the hard work you put in now will parlay into something really worthwhile for you in the future. Okay, so in conversation, which is the first part of this course, we're going to help you to try and get over your fear of talking by being a lot more spontaneous. So no longer will it be, let's study a little theme and let's go ahead and try and use some of the vocab that we just learned. Instead, I'm just going to throw some random things at you and try and help you guys be able to speak in the moment, which is what Spanish is really all about. Nobody really plans to have a conversation, writes it all down. No, you just hear a question, you respond to it, and then you go on from there. Then in the second part, in literature, we're going to go ahead and pick out two books that are really going to help you to read at a much higher level. One is about a young boy who decides that he would really like to have his very own car. But in order to do that, he's going to have to go do a little missionary work over in Costa Rica. And the second one is the very first novel ever written in the world called Don Quixote. So it's on stage and screen, and it fills uh, the bookshelves of Spanish teachers everywhere. So you guys are going to have both contemporary teen novel as well as the very first novel ever written. So hopefully you guys will enjoy all the activities that we picked out for you. At this time, go ahead and click on the folder for how upper level Spanish works and continue on with your orientation of the course. Hasta luego todos y nos vemos muy pronto.